name's Ellie McGowan. I'm the Employability Coordinator for LFC Foundation and I run the LFC Foundation Mentor Programme. The Mentor Programme is designed to help young people with their confidence and resilience to go into the workplace. The programme is 8 weeks long. It is a virtual programme, so mentors and mentees have their meetings online with 2 optional in-person meetups if they would like to meet them in person. Mentees and mentors are matched based on what the mentee would like to do in their career and their personality.
I was starting my master's course and I'd recently finished my undergrad and I needed a bit of direction in where I wanted to go with my career. I ended up getting matched with Charissa, who works in marketing. It bridged the gap between the education and skill side and the workplace.
I really needed to sort of work on my social confidence, and through that I was matched with Mark, who was really lovely, and every Wednesday we had a meeting.
I learned a lot from Amy. I learned a lot about young people. She taught me a lot about her own drive, her own confidence. It showed me a lot about her strength and resilience, really, from some of the meetings that she went to.
I've really struggled to even sort of meet strangers and just say hello to them.
It was very inspiring to see a young person really devoted and driven to try and excel at life.
When you can see someone doing something that you want to achieve, it's a lot more easy to achieve it, so it sort of broke down them barriers.
A lot of mentors have mentioned their own increased confidence, especially working with younger people where they might not have that interaction in their day-to-day job.
For me, the next stage in my career probably would be management level, so that was ideal for me to learn these management skills for my future.
If you're unsure about what you want to do, or you know what you want to do but just don't know how to get into your desired career, then I'd definitely say get involved.
Having an expert telling you where to go or giving you a different perspective on your skills and education can completely change your outcome in the professional environment.
We're here to support people in their career goals and their career journeys.
I've seen the benefits of the programme myself in my personal life and in my professional life, and it's absolutely been worthwhile for me.